Okay, good morning to is it morning? Yeah, good morning, afternoon actually. To anyone who's gonna be viewing this or watching this, probably it's gonna be me. And today's date is 1 July 2025. As you can see right here, it's Tuesday. Let's tune in to my daily life and trying to backtest. No, I'm backtesting the strategy that I have. Um, one thing that I could say is but subscribe if you want to, but if you don't, it's okay. Uh, Other than that, today's date already pointed that out, and my name doesn't matter right now. I always say that. Neither more than that I could say, you know. So yeah, as I was saying, that my name doesn't matter a lot, but what matters, I do my job. If you react, and yeah, your feedback is very welcome, sure. Yeah, I'm a South African, so I don't expect to have like perfect English like the USA English. I'll keep it real and I use my South African English, which is mixed with many languages, and you shall learn anyways. It's fun. But anyways, let's get down to the business, which is how do I start trading onto this strategy? And then my first, it's still using the same strategy. It's not the same, but the name is still the same thing, but I don't know how to say, but same, different. So the first thing that the strategy requires me to do is look at what we call chest, which is condition, entry, stop loss, target. CEST, chest. That is something that I looked for. So here's the strategy. I shall start with condition. The condition, I first have to turn this into a line chart, my chart to line chart. I have to look for direction, and here I say like trend line equals to direction. If my trend line is broken, it tells me where is specifically where's the direction going. So right here you can see that in my daily time frame, which is the daily, we have several points that first show the highlights. Yes, right here we have, you can see that it's been broken, uh showing that it was in a downtrend, but right now it's, I don't know how to say, up and down. Okay, because when I go to a higher time frame, my weekly, you can see that the weekly just hit a recent, not really stop loss, an engulfing candle, but which is something that I do trade. Okay, but not enough to get into details. But let's continue to analyze today's markets. Uh, what I'm looking for is a setup which I looked at a setup in a level where there's high probability of one thing happening, which is a setup. So in gold is one of the places that is, I don't know how to say it, but yeah. So right now, since my trend line has been broken, which is this daily, and the only place that I really want to focus on is actually right, it's too big, right here. So this recent move that has happened, this is where I really wanna focus on. Like I have to focus on, I may say. So for me, if I have to focus on that, I have to come here. So first I have to find wait, you have two swings, which is now direction. I'm looking for direction. Is it selling or is it buying? On my daily time frame, you can see that it has been selling. It's selling, right? Me thinking. And then right now, when I go to a lower time frame, the 8 minutes before we go there, dang, okay, I'll get better on it. Right here, you can see that price when it comes when it came right here, which is right here, I cannot draw. That's the problem with properties. I'm not gonna cut anything. I'm just gonna use something like Solomon, whatever color that will be. Yeah, right here, as you can see right here, where there's yellow and that pink type of thing, uh, it is broken. So which goal probably it's where I should be looking for a pattern that will come right here, and then continue to have a sell just a little bit, which is something that yeah just an intraday trading or scalping thing that I could look for. So I have to take what the market is giving me, not what I'm looking for. Okay. So when I go to a lower time frame, which is not really low, still a higher time frame, the 8 hour time frame. In 8 hour, and I change this actually right here. I have a sell entry because what I trade, oh, I'm still looking for direction, fresh support, fresh resistance. Okay. So conditions, what are the conditions for me right here in gold? So I say I have two swings, touches on the trend line, which currently the market or the price has already broken it. Um, but one thing for sure that I see right here, there's a sell because this right here, it's a fresh support, fresh resistance. Let me say put it that way. And we have RSS. If I just turn this, I have resistance, support that has been broken, and it's still fresh. So we can look for it to sell. So I think I've jumped into entries because right now I'm looking that there's a sell opportunity and also the market potentially it still have a sell entry because even high time frame, which is my daily, we still have this fresh support that it could sell or not, but that is up to the price. Um, I don't know how long I've been recording this stuff. 15 minutes. Uh, okay. We have sell entry right here. Let me put it this way. We still have an entry right here, and then I have to change and properties to red. Right here, I still have an entry. We have an entry, but why does it break it up that okay, this is in like a high probability entry for me to enter? Ah, for me, I'll say it's due to that this level right here, it's an 8 hour time frame first of all, and then it's RBS, which is break It's support, and then it have broken, and then we have to come and to be like to retest, which is support coming to be a resistance. Wish I have something to draw here. Dang. We'll look onto that. And then when I go to a lower time frame right here, I still have another reason, which is in 4 hour, 3 hours, not 4 hours. Sorry, sorry on that. Right here, let me mark this. On support. There we go. Right there is where I have support, resistance, support, and then one thing, since it's in a higher time frame, I could expect for it to sell, which is probably equal sell or you won't sell. That is something that is determined by 30 minutes time frame, not 30 minutes straightly, but dang, I'm jumping a lot of stages right here. Things such as like entry reason, which right now while is what I'm looking at. The reason why I'll take this trade is because right now I'm in a point where there's fresh support is something that I look for, and then it's at a zone, which is it's a fresh zone at a higher time frame too. That is my other entry reason, and then secondly, it's near where there's a zone, like a zone that shows that it will potentially sell. And then here also, before I go there, I'll go into it. So we have a sell reason why I should enter on gold right now. Supported that in my 8 hours I've engulfing. When I go to lower time frame, which is my 4 hour, I still have the same engulfing at the same area. And then it's RSS, which is two things. And if I go lower again, I still have an engulfing right here. Okay. So the question that I may have is, where do I enter? Because if I'm trading the high time frame, I have to have a bunch of money, like 10,000, I don't know, but yeah, a lot of money, right? Because right here, there's a resistance also on the 4 hour time frame. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So at my lower time frame, which is 1 hour, I've engulfing through 8 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour at the same level, still having the RSS situation. So I will consider to take this trade, but when I see an entry reason, which is like an extra layer of like entry confirmation, why should I enter the confirmation of entry, which is it could be not it could be, certainly it will be, which do is gonna be like shooting star, double top, head and shoulder. Got it? Yeah, that will be my entry confirmation. For now, I will just pause the video for see how things goes and everything. So this is like before, and let me put this line right here. Yeah, that line over there shall represent my before I enter this market and after. And remind you, I'm using a demo account. Be ahead of that. So yeah, one entry 0.01. That is my risk. I'm just trying to raise 0.01 on gold. And what? Yeah, I think that's all for now. Anything if I missed, I'll just add it up. Okay. Okay, now let's review the results that I did, or the prediction, or whatsoever that I may call it. But as you can see, this is the time. This is the current time that I am at right now. And then, first of all, the reason why I did take the entry, which the first one it was, engulfing E plus E on 1 hour, from E plus E on my 8 hour, and then 4 hour, and then plus also 1 hour, plus 4 hour RSS, which is another strategy, and then an 8 hour. The second entry that I took, there was due to this, which you will absolutely see why I did take that entry, even though I didn't plan it though. As you can see right here, it's a 8 hour time frame, and then the reason why I entered it was because of IS support break resistance. So this is the why that I did enter at this level, which turned out to play really good. But the other thing that I didn't like is that I get to be out of the trade like quick. But yeah, will I identify this setup as an A setup? Yes, I will, because it was backed with many reasons for me to enter, especially this one. So I will just highlight it, the whole stuff. I will highlight it, a bit of green. Yes. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, a bit of green to show that yeah, it was a good setup. And let's go to the market again, and then go to 8 hours, 8 hour, and remove this before. Not, not actually now. Not actually now. Not actually now. As this was before I entered the market, now this is after. Which if I did not take the profit early, this is where my profit will be, or my current position, or the market will be, whatever that is gonna be. But the mostly important is that I saw a trade, I took it, I planned a trade, I did exit. The former one, I will come back to it. So this is today player that I had, which is not major, but the thing here is not me coming to be major, but here to come and make the baby steps. You know, follow my setup and obey step by step. Okay? Yeah, that's the thing about it. Dang, that's night. Yeah, so that's the thing about it. So I think I'll cut the video right here. I don't know, but I don't know what else do I need to review, because my first entry I did take it right here when I saw that there was this um engulfing, as you can see right here in the 15 minutes, and I saw this engulfing, which was a full engulfing. Then I decided to enter the second one. I took it right here up, right here, since it was an RPS on the 4 hour, 8 hour. So I did took the trade. And then the secondly, thirdly, secondly, that was second, this third. I think that's it for now. Other than that, the more of this, I will just probably upload like tomorrow. You'll see tomorrow what it's all about or the next plan. For sure, I may not be clear of what I'm trying to say or what I'm saying, but my plan and whatever the not whatever actually, I gotta be specific with this stuff. I may not be specific on what I do next, or the storylining. Okay, but other than that, this is the today progress. And also this one, the former one. What happened for me to enter here? Okay, I saw the market was for last. I was trying to test this instant, the instant button that is right here. So I press sell and then I got into a sell. Then I decided to be like, no, 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 no. I didn't play this trade. I got it. Right, it was right here when I entered the trade. But since I didn't play it, I was like, no, hell no, I'm not taking this trade. Okay, let me show you my history through the charts. As you can see, I entered here and then took the trade right here, which I should have taken it right here, but I didn't. I saw it, I was hoping for it to go down, which eventually did. It did. And then also, I took the first one was this one. I take it around right here, and then the second one was somewhere right here. As you can see that I didn't take a long time just to close it since I didn't plan it, and I was just like, okay, I'm done for a day. 100 rand, it's cool. It's cool, even though I was expecting more, but it's cool. Yeah. For now, I think I'll see that is my results. And one thing that I could tell you that is that subscribe if you want to, but if you don't, not forcing you, just subscribe if you want to. And I would appreciate if you do. Yeah, I think that's all. Subscribe. Okay, that's all. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.